In an era defined by ever-present screens and constant connectivity, the question arises, can empathy, that deeply human capacity to understand and share the feelings of another, truly survive in the digital age? The answer is both complex and illuminating, shaped by the dual forces of technological innovation and the enduring nature of human emotion. Empathy has always been a cornerstone of meaningful relationships, communities, and societies. It allows us to bridge divides, to comfort, to celebrate, and to collaborate. Yet, as our lives become increasingly mediated by digital tools, social media, instant messaging, virtual reality, the ways in which we express and experience empathy are evolving in profound ways. Some fear that the rise of technology will erode our ability to connect on a human level, reducing interactions to fleeting exchanges of text and emoji. Others see the potential for digital platforms to foster empathy on a global scale, connecting people across cultures and continents as never before. Consider for a moment the way we communicate online. Text messages and social media posts can lack the nuance and context of face-to-face conversation. Without tone of voice, facial expressions, or body language, our words can be misinterpreted. Sarcasm, humor, or subtlety often get lost in translation, sometimes leading to misunderstandings or conflict. The anonymity and distance provided by digital platforms can embolden individuals to say things they might never say in person, sometimes resulting in cruelty or indifference. In these moments, it can seem as though empathy is slipping through our fingers, replaced by a colder, more transactional mode of interaction. Yet, the digital age is not inherently devoid of empathy. In many cases, technology has expanded our capacity for connection. Social media enables us to witness the joys and struggles of people we might never meet in real life, exposing us to stories that broaden our understanding of the human experience. Online support groups and communities offer comfort and solidarity to those facing illness, grief, or hardship, often providing lifelines where none existed before. Acts of kindness and solidarity can ripple across the internet, inspiring real-world change and fostering a sense of shared humanity. It is in the digital age that we can instantly reach out to someone on the other side of the world during a tragedy, sending words of comfort or tangible aid. Movements for social justice, mental health awareness, and humanitarian relief have harnessed the power of digital networks to amplify voices and rally support. These are not just examples of empathy surviving, but of empathy thriving within new frameworks and formats. The challenge, then, is not whether empathy can survive in the digital age, but how we choose to nurture it amid the noise and distraction. Empathy requires attention, a willingness to listen, to reflect, and to imagine ourselves in another's shoes. In a world of constant notifications and infinite scroll, sustaining that attention can be difficult. The design of many digital platforms prioritizes speed and efficiency over depth and contemplation, encouraging us to react quickly rather than to pause and consider. To cultivate empathy online, we must be intentional. This means taking the time to read beyond headlines, to understand context, and to recognize the humanity behind the avatars. It means resisting the urge to reduce complex individuals to stereotypes or caricatures, and instead seeking out their stories in their own words. It means acknowledging our own biases and blind spots, and being willing to engage in dialogue even when it is uncomfortable or challenging. Empathy in the digital age also benefits from the development of new forms of expression. Video calls, voice messages, and live streams can restore some of the nuance lost in text-based communication, allowing us to see and hear one another in real time. Emojis and GIFs, while sometimes dismissed as frivolous, can convey tone and emotion in ways that words alone cannot. Innovations in virtual reality and augmented reality promise to immerse us even more deeply in the experiences of others, fostering understanding through simulated presence. Education plays a crucial role in ensuring that empathy endures. Digital literacy is not just about knowing how to use technology, but about understanding its impact on our relationships and well-being. Teaching young people to communicate thoughtfully online, to recognize cyberbullying, and to empathize with those whose experiences differ from their own is essential. Likewise, adults must model empathetic behavior, demonstrating that kindness, respect, and curiosity are as important online as they are offline. Of course, there are risks and limitations to digital empathy. The scale and speed of information online can lead to compassion fatigue, where repeated exposure to suffering diminishes our capacity to care. The algorithms that shape our online experience often reinforce existing beliefs and biases, creating echo chambers that isolate us from differing perspectives. Misinformation and performative outrage can distort our sense of reality, making it harder to discern genuine emotion from manipulation. Despite these challenges, the digital age offers unprecedented opportunities for empathy to flourish. By leveraging technology thoughtfully and purposefully, we can expand our circles of concern, build bridges across divides, and reaffirm our shared humanity. Empathy is not a finite resource, nor is it doomed to extinction in the face of innovation. Instead, it adapts, finding new pathways and expressions as our world changes. In the end, empathy's survival depends not on the tools we use, but on the choices we make. It is a skill to be practiced, a habit to be cultivated, and a value to be upheld. Whether we are comforting a friend by text, joining a global conversation on social media, or standing in solidarity with distant strangers, we shape the culture of empathy with every interaction. So, can empathy survive in the digital age? The answer is yes. If we are willing to nurture it, to adapt it, and to let it guide our engagement with technology and with each other. The digital world is what we make of it, and within its vast networks and endless possibilities lies the potential for empathy not only to survive, but to thrive. Subscribe for more deep dive videos.